Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Endometriomas are a result of endometriosis. Endometriomas are chocolate cysts. We'll talk about it. I'll show you on the picture as well. But endometriosis is a condition where the lining inside the uterus, which is called as endometrium, is also deposited on other parts of the reproductive system. It could be on the tubes, it could be on the pelvic area, and when it is inside the ovaries, it forms something called as chocolate cysts, and it is called as endometriomas. Now, during periods when hormones are being released, this lining, wherever it is, it starts to respond to the hormones and starts to bleed. Now, when it's on the tubes and all, it probably bleeds into the pelvic area, but when it's in the ovaries, then it has no place to go. So inside the ovaries, it forms blood-filled, gooey, chocolatey, follicle-like cyst, and this is called as endometriomas. This endometriomas reacts to the hormones that are being released. Also, there's pelvic pain when it's responding to these hormones, pain during intercourse, there is discomfort, there's pelvic pain also. So endometriomas also affect the other follicles around it. Now, because the chocolate cyst keeps increasing in size, especially it depends on how severe it is, it affects the quality of the other follicles around it and the eggs inside them. So because of endometriomas, there could be infertility because the quality of eggs is coming down, the number of eggs are coming down if the size of the endometriomas is also increasing. So endometriomas can cause infertility in numerous ways, by causing painful intercourse, by bringing down the quality of egg. Even if there is fertilization, because the quality of egg is low, there is a higher chance of miscarriage. So endometriomas can be treated with medication such as oral contraceptive pills or GnRH agonist, which will then bring down the effect of endometriomas. Surgically also, these endometriomas can be removed by laparoscopic surgeries, where these endometriomas, the area around them, can be extracted. To understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.